Hello everyone, welcome to online class, the brain game for class 3rd. Let's start. Today we will continue from here. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device used to instruct a computer by pointing and clicking. Here we can see a mouse. This is right button, left button and this is scroll wheel. First point, by clicking the buttons of the mouse, you give the computer the direction on what is to be done. In whichever direction you move the mouse pointer moves in the same direction. What is inside the mouse? The mouse normally has two buttons with a scroll wheel in between. Mouse has two buttons with scroll button. At the bottom of the mouse, there is a rubber ball or light. Mouse with light is called optical mouse. Fact file: a computer mouse is named because of its resemblance to a real mouse. It's looking like a real mouse. Here we can see the real mouse and this is computer mouse. Now quick quiz. Check button of your mouse in lab and tell which type of mouse is this. Checkpoint. Fill in the missing letters to name the computer parts. Connect them to the correct picture by drawing lines. MOIO. Here this is monitor. MONITOR. Here this is keyboard. KEYBOARD. Mouse. MOUSE. The last one is speakers. SPEAKERS. Now we come on additional part of a computer. In additional to the essential computer parts, you can also attach many other parts with a computer so that it can do variety of work. Let's learn about few such common parts. The device name and picture. Here we can see the picture of a device and here the name of a device. And here some uses of devices. Printer. First of all, printer. A printer prints information and picture on papers. There are various type of printers available like dot matrix printer, laser printers and inkjet printers. The last one, dot matrix printers use ribbon, inkjet printers use liquid ink and laser printers use dry ink, toner to print. Usually we see the inkjet printers in the photocopy shop or printer shop. The next, headphones. Headphones are used to listening to the music coming from the computer in your ears only. Many headphones have microphone attached to it. Such devices are called headset. Microphone. A microphone is a device that allow you to record sound into the computer. It's also called mic. Scanner. Scanner, we see the picture of scanner. Yes. A scanner copies pictures or text onto the computer in a way that the computer understands. This is done by first changing the picture or the text into the computer readable form and then inserting it into your computer. The next one, web camera. A web camera or a webcam is connected to your PC to capture the images in its view. The images can be either saved or used over the internet. Yes, here we can see difference between human and a computer. So let's learn. Computers have many other advantages over humans. These are given in the following table. First, property, then U means human, then computer. Properties, speed. A human speed is slow in working and calculating. Here we can see how this guy said, I am late. Now a computer can do thousands of action per second. Here we can see this lady said, my work is over due to the computer. Next, accuracy. A human can make mistakes due to lack of knowledge and concentration. So it can be its fault. A computer is a 100% accurate machine. Computer said, I am correct. Storage. The storage capacity of a human is limited. I remember less. Usually people said, I remember less. A computer can keep huge amounts of data in its memory. Here we can see, I can store more. Diligence. A human gets tired and bored easily. I am very tired, that guy said. A computer never gets tired or bored. I am always fresh. The last one, emotions. Humans are emotional. These emotions also affect their work. We can see the guy said, don't you dare. And next guy said, good job. It's a emotion. A computer has no emotion. Computer said, I am cool. Remember, we humans can guess and work even if something is missing. But a computer needs each and every step of instructions given to it for completing the task. Now revision time. So let's revise. A computer is a machine that accepts the input, work on it according to the instruction given to it and return an output. The basic components of a computer are keyboard, CPU, monitor and speakers. Additional parts like printer, headphone, microphone, scanner and web camera can be attached to a computer so that it can do variety of work. Humans can guess and work when instructions are not there, but a computer needs all the instructions to be given to it for work. We will continue these exercises in next video. I think that's enough for today. So, thank you and take care.